The first question, if A is a square matrix and P is any square matrix of order equal to the A, prove that P dash PA is symmetric or skew symmetric. According to A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Solution. Let matrix M equal to P dash A P. M transpose equal to P dash A P whole transpose, which is equal to, according property, AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, B transpose into A transpose. If we consider A and next is B, so P dash into P dash A whole transpose. First matrix P dash A, second matrix is P. AB transpose, so B transpose into A transpose. In this question, consider P dash A as first matrix, P is second. So second matrix transpose into first matrix transpose, which is equal to B transpose. Same apply formula. Apply same formula. A transpose, B transpose, transpose. B transpose, A transpose, and P transpose transpose is equal to B. If P is symmetric, if A is symmetric, means A equal to A transpose, so P dash A P, which is equal to M. So M dash equal to M means M is symmetric matrix. A is symmetric means A equal to A transpose. So when A equal to A transpose, then M dash equal to M. Or if A is skew symmetric matrix, that is A transpose equal to minus times of A. So this M dash becomes, in this line, P dash minus times of A into P, which is equal to minus P dash A P, which is equal to minus times of M. So in this case, M dash equal to minus times of M, that is M is skew symmetric matrix. Now, second question. If P is any square matrix, prove that A into A transpose is symmetric matrix. Again, consider any matrix and A transpose. A को prove करना है क्या हम लोग को? A into A transpose is symmetric. Symmetric means M transpose A transpose transpose, which is equal to A transpose transpose into A transpose transpose into A transpose, which is equal to A into A transpose equal to M. M transpose equal to M, therefore M, which is equal to A into A dash, is symmetric matrix. I think समझ में आ गया होगा. Next solution of the question. If A and B are square matrix, A and B are square matrix of same order, then prove that A B dash minus B A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Let M equal to A B dash minus B A dash. M transpose A B dash B A dash whole transpose, which is equal to A B dash transpose minus B A dash transpose. B transpose transpose into A transpose transpose into B transpose equal to BA into A B transpose. B transpose transpose is B, A transpose वैसे A transpose transpose is A. Minus sign common. AB transpose minus BA transpose equal to minus times of M m dash equal to minus times of m, that is A transpose minus B A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Last question, that is fourth question. Let A be a square matrix, then prove that half A into A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Let, if we consider P, half A plus A transpose. So P transpose half A plus A transpose whole transpose, which is equal to half. With the help of this property, we can write A transpose plus A transpose transpose equal to half A transpose plus A, which is equal to half A plus A transpose. In matrix addition, commutative का फॉलो करेगा, that is A plus A transpose equal to A dash A transpose plus A, which is equal to the P dash equal to P dash equal to P. Therefore, P is symmetric matrix. Let in the second part half A plus A minus A transpose. The Q dash equal to half A minus A transpose transpose equal to half A transpose minus A transpose transpose equal to half A transpose minus A minus common, which is equal to minus times of Q, minus times of Q. Q dash equal to minus times of Q. Therefore, Q is skew symmetric matrix. ये 4 क्वेश्चन थे. I think इन 4 क्वेश्चंस का सॉल्यूशन आपको समझ में आ रहे होंगे.